Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the All Odia cuisine. You know, the best thing about pumpkin plant is that you can actually eat every part of it, including the stems, leaves, fruits and flowers. And if it is homegrown, then you get the best quality of it. And today I'm going to pluck this season's first pumpkin flowers from my home garden to enjoy one of the unique and authentic recipe of Odisha. And I'm sure it doesn't need any introductions. So as you can see the lovely flowers in this pumpkin plant. There are 5 to 6 flowers which are fully grown, and now I'm going to cut them out. These are the Indian pumpkin flowers, but I will very soon make a recipe video with the American pumpkin flowers. So do subscribe to the channel. Just make sure that you come early in the morning to pluck these flowers. They are grown very rapidly in the morning and towards the afternoon they droop. So to get the fresh ones, make it quick. Wow, just look at those lovely flowers. I just can't wait to taste them. So let's quickly go to the kitchen and make the pan-fried pumpkin flowers. And as you can see, tomorrow there will be 7 to 8 more flowers for me to enjoy. So before putting them on the hot skillet, I am going to dress the flowers. As you can see, there's the delicate and beautiful petals, and on the sides there are soft thorn-like things known as sepals. So what I'm going to do is to pluck the sepals out. This is a normal rule that is followed, and what is the reason behind it, I really don't know. But if you know, just let me know in the comment section below. And inside there is a soft tiny bud-like thing known as pistil, which has the seed and is the important part of the flower. I'm just going to pluck it out too. In short, just take out the sepal and pistil and let keep the petals and stem. Now wash them nicely and keep aside. Remember to soak half a cup of raw rice at least for 1 to 2 hours before all the preparations to make the batter. When the rice is soaked properly, wash and transfer them into a blender or grinder. To this, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seed. This will give a nice taste as well as aroma to the batter. Next, add salt to taste. Here I am taking 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Next, 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric powder for that nice bright yellow color, and 1 whole red chili for that spicy taste. I'm using the chili flakes. It's just same. Next, a dash of water to make the batter. You can also add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just skipping it because of the strong smell of garlic. Now grind the rice finely. Make sure the consistency of the batter is like thin paste and not very liquid or very thick like paste. Pour the batter onto a plate. And without any delay, take the pumpkin flowers and dip them one by one into the batter. Coat the flowers from all the sides and keep them aside. Next, on a skillet, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is warm, place the rice batter coated pumpkin flowers on it. Keep the heat on medium to high heat because you don't have to cook them for a longer time, and also at the same time you want them to be crunchy. Add oil if needed. Turn sides and cook them from both the sides nicely. Many people prefer to eat the pumpkin flower as a side with the water rice or the pakhara, but I like to eat them all by itself. They just look lovely and crunchy. When done, take them out on a plate and eat them super hot, because once they cool down, the pumpkin flowers will be soft and won't taste that good. So thank you for watching All Lite Food, the All Odia cuisine. Let me know in the comment section below how was the video, and make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. We'll see you soon with one more recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy, and do give a look at the description box for other details.